You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven.
Hi everybody, what is up? Today I am in the kitchen once again and we're making another delicious dessert. Today we're going to be making something simpler, which is a cookie. But it's not just any cookie, it is a holiday cookie. You know what that means? Tuloy Ang Pasko! And so, what we're making today is, drum roll please, pistachio cranberry cookies, icebox cookies. Let's get on with the ingredients. So for our ingredients, 1 cup of butter room temperature, a half cup of brown sugar and a half cup of granulated sugar. And then we have 2 tablespoons of milk. I like to use evaporated milk, but you can use whole milk or any other type of milk. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of salt, 2.5 cups of flour, a half cup of sweetened cranberries or just, dried cranberries like raisins, and a half cup of pistachios, crushed. Alright, you guys, the cookies are finally done baking in the oven and we can taste them. I'm gonna go for the square one. It's so good. You know what it's like? It's like crunchy on the outside and then like soft and like powdery on the inside. And also, this cookie, I love the pistachios and the cranberry, but if you guys don't like pistachio or you're allergic or you just want to use a different nut, you can always use cashew nuts or maybe walnuts. I don't know, maybe almonds. But generally, any type of nut will do. You could even use raisins if you really wanted to. And it's very flaky because there's a higher ratio of of flour to like the butter and the sugar. That's what makes it so crumbly on the inside. By the way, this cookie would be considered a holiday cookie. It has vibrant colors and it's definitely a Christmas favorite. Ooh. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join our family and keep up with new videos. And if you want to follow our social media page, it's at the intersection on Instagram.